The Medion Erazer X6603 arrives in a medium-sized black box with insane gaming robot work of art on the front and back, while on one side the framework's particulars are recorded. Open the container and you are given the PC in a side compartment loaded with the framework's energy supply. The main other thing in the crate is the framework's printed material and manual. The workstation itself is held safely in both a dark loose, not a convey sack, and a couple of froth holders. Extricating them from the case is clear. Once the workstation is expelled from the loose end holders, and its energy supply, 2 section, expelled from the container, the framework can be opened. There is no other bundling asides from a dark screen defender. With the framework out of the crate we could investigate the outline. The main thing we saw about Medion Erazer X6603 was its flared raised speaker curves, which have a honeycomb cross-section internal cover with network encompass. We were uncertain about the outline from specific points, be that as it may. From others it appeared on the cache. Stretching out down from the upper right speaker is an engraved expansion of the honeycomb cross-section design, which extends out at a sprightly edge toward the console's numpad, and inserted inside that is the framework's little roundabout power catch. This has a concentric ring completion and feels pleasingly icy to the touch. The framework's packaging is matte dark, plastic and, shockingly, pleasingly vigorous, with no twist under delicate weight and a strong weight that imparted premium and not spending plan. The front end of the packaging and screen is delicately calculated in a Go Speedier bowl tip shape, which includes a tad of flair to the generally downplayed machine. As is very evident from the framework's determinations, see above boxo, Medion has particularly organized best inside equipment over champion undercarriage and screen quality, or broadened includes on this machine, which is clearly to keep the value low. The Intel Core i7-7700HQ CPU is totally slam against the cache here as we would see it, offering genuine handling power both all through recreations. We ran some encoding runs, changing over Ghost in the shell starting with one configuration then onto the next, and were extremely satisfied with the outcomes. The framework's 8 GB of RAM and, most pleasingly, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 Ti 4 GB VRAM, are additionally fantastic parts at the cost. We inspected a couple of gaming PCs prior in the year furnished with GTX 1050s and were more than content with the execution at this 1080p determination, be that as it may. The progression up here to the GTX 1050 Ti had a stamped effect and outline rate, particularly while working with DirectX 12 alternatives exchanged on India versions.